Hey everybody, this is DIY Aidan at Steve Tristan's Best, and today I'm going to show you how to install a cordless roller shade with a cassette. So let's get started. Ta-da! So I'm going to get the hardware out of this so I can mount it. When you're opening this, don't ever use a razor blade or a knife because you can end up scratching the product. So here's the hardware. The mounting clips right here and the screws. So there's the hardware. But it also came with instructions. But I don't need these. I was taught by my dad. I'm ready to install the brackets. So what I'm doing is I'm using my finger to measure it. Two. Gonna hook here from there, and we're gonna push it back right here. Ta-da! Thank you guys for watching this video, only on Steve Tristan's Best, and you can get these roller shades at blindscreen.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Goodbye.